In this video, I'm going to show you how you can copy and apply text format in Microsoft Word document. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now here we want to go ahead and apply this text format, including the color. As you can see, this is a heading 2, and we wish to go ahead and apply it to all the other subheadings, beginning with this. As you can see, this is just a normal text. If I click on it, you can see this is normal text. However, if I click on this, now this is heading 2 and it has a different color. So if I wish to go ahead and apply this to all the other subheadings, it's pretty simple. So to do this, we are going to use Format Painter. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now to do this, just go ahead and identify the format you wish to be applied on the others or to be copied to the others, and just go ahead and highlight. You can highlight just a section of it, and once you highlight it, you should be able to see a paint or a brush here. If you hover over it, you can see it is Format Painter. If you can't see it, you can see it over here. Go ahead and click on it. Now on this Format Painter, once you click on it, if you go to your text, you have that brush accompanying your text, and wherever you go and select any text using this, it will be applied automatically. Now once you have this selected, just go ahead and scroll down to the text that you want the same style to be copied, and then highlight it from the beginning to the end like this, and the moment you finish highlighting and leave the cursor, it will be applied automatically. So that's how you can copy text format in Microsoft Word. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.